This is not regular chicken fry, this is full-on Chatpata street-style chicken fry. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Taste of Cooking and Baking. So let's make the recipe. In a grinder, add half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 3 green cardamom, 2 small cinnamon sticks, 1 star anise. Also add 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Grind everything together into a fine fragrant powder. Once done, set aside the masala powder. Take 250 grams of boneless chicken, cut into small bite-sized pieces. To this, add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili powder. Now add freshly grinded masala powder and half teaspoon salt. Add 1 tablespoon of flour, 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Add a small egg and add only the egg white. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste. Now cut some green chilies like this and add. Now mix everything very well, making sure every chicken piece is coated evenly. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. At last, I am adding 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and mix everything very well. Now heat oil in a pan. Keep the flame on medium. Now gently add the chicken pieces one by one. Fry the chicken pieces until golden brown and crispy. Your street-style crispy chicken is ready now. Golden, spicy, crunchy and tasty. Serve it hot with green chutney, mayo dip or a cup of tea. This recipe is quick, simple and really tasty. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you like this recipe.